Welcome. I want to show you how to install Global script. I'm going to go to my browser and click on the mobile section here and then search for Global here. Just search for Global, click on the first script here and then scroll up, copy this first link and then create a new tab and paste the link there. Then click on enter. Then your global script is ready to download. Then download it here. Start downloading it. Then go to your file explorer and then go to downloads. This is the global script we downloaded. Right click and then extract the script downloaded. After extracting it, so this is the folder here. Then click on the folder, click on this, then you have the apps here. So we have 3 apps: the customer, the driver, and the vendor. So the three are different apps. Then I'm going to show you the customer app because the customer is where we get the client from, you understand? So this is the customer app. Then click on copy and I'm going to paste this on my desktop. So this is the folder here. Then go to Manager Studio and then open file, click on file, then click on open, then go to customer. So after customer you see a folder. This is what new owners. Click on new owners and then press on OK. And then I'm going to click on terminal. I'm going to run a command Flutter pub get to get the latest dependency, and I'm going to click on enter. So when I click on enter, I'm going to get the latest dependency. So you see it's already solving the dependency. I've done that already, so no need for doing that again. And then I'm using my physical device to debug. So I'm going to connect my physical device. I'm going to connect my physical device to the system. So as you can see, my physical device is already connected. You can see it here. I'm going to run a code to show my physical device on my system. A command. As you can see, my physical device is already showing on my system. Then I can drag it to the right hand side of the desktop. Then I'm going to click on this run to run our project. Then let's wait for our project to run.
Why are you giving the key to? Are they sleeping here?
No, they are returning to the back.
To send it?
Yeah.
Wahala.
But that one no is happening to us.
Nobody sleeping in the lounge.
Put something erupt.
done with our samples, so I've not seen any orange here.
I'm sure I collected my. I know you my favorite.
Yeah, what?
My phone. I start to cry. That's my pizza. Okay.
These people did not stay here. Stay around.
No, they just left.
Hey, yeah. Which of them?
Students new.
No, not students. I'm talking of the.
Now, as you can see, the app is already working. The app is already installing. And I'm going to preview the app. It's loading. You can see this is the application that has run successfully. Then I can select the my preferred language, which is English. Then I can discover the vendors. I can skip. Next. Yes. And skip. So this is the installation for the Global script. Thank you very much.